Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. So, a lot of you will probably know me as a gamer or a gaming channel, and one of the things I actually like to do in my downtime is day trading. So, I'm also going to be trying to make some more day trading videos. It's currently about 8:05 in the morning, and I'm trying to make a quick trade here or there just before work. So, if for anyone who doesn't know about day trading, the point of this basically is green is up, red is down, and we're trying to predict the direction of the market. So I've just entered a trade now, and as you can see, I'm showing you 4 accounts down the bottom here. I really want you to keep an eye on them. I'm trying to make a kind of new series where I would like
Stop
you guys to
ESL.
see these accounts go from zero, watch every single trade done on them, even to the point they get passed, and then even to the point where a withdrawal happens. And again, I also want you to see just kind of what I'm looking at here. So as you saw, I went into profit there. I could have took it. I probably will if it comes back down again. I'm only looking for 5 to 10 points. A nice bit of change in a sense before work. Nothing too major. Now what I'm seeing here is already we had the high, and then it tried to make a high, but it wicked, so it's come back down. So that's telling me that there's a bit of weakness there and a bit of rejection. On the book map, I can see there's actually liquidity down at the 80 mark, and this yellow line is what we call VWAP. Now,
Stop ESL.
another method
Stop
that I like to do
ESL.
is when I go past what I call a key point, which was 90 just then. I should have done it. I haven't done it yet because I was talking, but I should have. What I will actually do is I will put my stop loss down. So I move my stop loss down with the actual move. So again, I'm waiting for this to come back to 85 one more time, just so I can put in a sell limit, not a buy limit, sorry, just so I can put in a buy limit. And all I'm trying to do right now is to stay patient. Again, that's twice I've already missed my opportunity. I'm too busy watching numbers down here and trying to explain what I'm doing. I'm new to recording my trades, so I'm getting used to this. If this goes back over 300, I'm going to jump out and that'll be a losing trade. But I think we're okay. This is a 5-minute time frame. We're going to go down to a 1-minute time frame. As you can see, it was going down in my favor. There's a slight pullback up now, but again, that's
Sell stop
not
NQ.
broke the last sort of high area bit yet, so I'm not getting concerned or nervous. So now we just have to wait. It's all about patience when it comes to trading, all about patience. For those of you wondering why have I moved down to a smaller time frame, again, if you look at the chart now, it's like a slightly different story on what's really going on. So as you can see, you've got the bump, 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 and then a slightly bigger bump, a long, short bump. And if you go onto a 5-minute chart, it looks near similar, but it looks a lot different, doesn't it? So that's why we jump around between times frames, so we can actually see who, what, where, when, and why. But again, once this trade's finished, I'm gonna get out and then go get ready for work, and I want you guys to let me know down below if you want me to do more videos, if you want me to explain more, or if this is something you actually want to learn about. So again, we're still under that 300. We're now coming back down to my break even. Again, as you can see, nothing major, nothing to worry about. But I am actually going to put my take profit here. So I'm just going to put a buy there and just try and get 10 points right now. So that means I'm also going to put my stop up there. So the blue line's my entry, which is 95. I don't like to have my stop loss on a candle, to be honest, so I'll put it at 307. But it looks like I've lost my opportunity and it's going to stop me out now. So I'm going to bump it just a little bit. I'm going to give it a bit more because I know this can be a winning trade. I just need to wait it out now. Should have took it with my opportunity down there. And yeah, now we just got to wait. It's got to be patient and let the trade play out. Stick to the plan. Let the trade play out. So as you saw, I was down quite a bit there. It looked a little scary because it was like $2,000, but now I'm back to break even. So we're going to go back to the 1-minute frame. And as you see, a nice big wick. I like that wick. That wick looks nice. I'm liking that. It's a lot of weakness to the upside. There's still liquidity down at 85, so that's prime target. But I also want to push through. Now, once it breaks 90 one more time, I'm going to bring this stop loss down to 90. So there you go. It's testing 90 now. Let's see if we can get through. It wanted to. You can see, there you go. That's breaking through. Nice, nice. We like that. So I'm going to get ready to drop this down and guarantee myself at least 5 to 6 points. To be honest, I don't think I need to. I think it can keep going, but I mean, guaranteeing yourself $400 per account is, you know, a lot better than nothing. Okay, so it's lost a bit of momentum there, but again, I'm still in profit. I'm not panicking or worried. That's going to 85. I know it's going to 85. I'm going to drop that. It's probably going to take me out. There you go, 6 points. Nice little 6 points. 350 per account on the day, each account. So $1,400 made before 8:15. And as you can see, look, there's the 85. I should have held. Shouldn't have moved my stop loss. And that's now touching the VWAP. Now, with my strategy, with my method, that's one of the issues. Sometimes I get small profits when I could have had big profits. Other times I get some profits when I'm supposed to have none. So it's pros and cons. Do I think this is going to break VWAP and go down to 75? That's the next question. Now, really, I would like it to actually break at 80 for me to know it's definitely on a downtrend. And then, as you can see, it's coming down here. Or I might walk away right now, get this first ever video edited, send it back, get this first video edited, upload it while I'm at work, see how you guys respond to it. So again, I'm going to re-enter that. I still think there's more to go down. Again, we're going to offer it 10 points, which is the 300 mark. So even if there's only a little scalp, I think I can get at least another 5 points out of this. So as you can see, I'm already in profit. So yeah, I think I'll stick where I am, but I am going to move my stop loss down in a minute. I don't know how much lower this is really going to go, but at the same time, it's like I don't really need it to go too much lower. I mean, that's $2 on a day. There you go, look at that. So I'm actually going to bring this stop down now, guarantee myself. Oh, okay, I was a bit slow there. Hovering it, so if it comes down one more time, then we're good. Alright, go now. Alright, come back down one more time. So where was that? That went to 85 on the dot. There's still liquidity at 80. Okay, so 80 would be a perfect, nice little 9 points to go. Alright, there we go. So it's looking like it wants to come down again. Again, there's liquidity 80, 75, 70. There's a lot more liquidity down here than there is up here. So it might jump up for a liquidity grab, but apart from that, I do think it wants to come down. It wants to come down. It's also broken last lines of resistance. So it could go back up to a retest here, but I'm hoping it just goes straight down to begin with. There we go. That's 85 again. I'm not really liking how it keeps touching 85 and then going straight back up. So next time I see 85, I might just take it, give myself that $2 from today, bringing it down, guaranteed myself. That was 89 to 84, 5 points, 5 more points. There you go. So that's one trade, 2 trades, 2 trades done today, 8:15 in the morning, and there's the money we're looking at. So 1,200, 2,400 plus the 50. Let's call it 2,500. $2,500 at 2:14 EDT, but 8:15 my time. $2.5 It's time to turn this off, walk away, be happy with it, and go to work like a normal person.